I look dumb.
Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in, bitch I'm
oh goodness, I look bad. Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare routine just because it's almost the beginning of school and that means my skin is gonna start breaking out because I'm gonna be stressed and I don't want to go back to school. So this is probably the last you're gonna see my skin before it breaks out. This video was super requested, like it's been very requested for a very long time, but I just want to say like my skin is just normally clear in general just because of like genetics and stuff. I've been breaking out recently and that's just, I'll talk about it why and like what works for me, what doesn't work for me, what tips I have, but just because you use the stuff that I use doesn't mean you're gonna get clear skin. It literally just depends on you and everyone has different skin types. So if this doesn't work for you, it's just because we have different skin types, or maybe it just doesn't work for you. So yeah, just a little disclaimer, I have combination to oily skin, so that's it. So let's get started. So it is currently 9:07. I normally do my skincare at like night around here. I like taking off my makeup because it just feels super like nice, and I'm wearing my normal makeup that I wear every day, so I'm just gonna take it off right now. I use the Simple cleansing wipe. I got it in a pack of 2 from Ulta and I already used the first one, but yeah, like I said earlier, I have been breaking out recently and I know you guys are gonna attack me, but my skin has been a lot clearer before. I've been getting a little bit of acne but not that much. I literally still have clear skin, but I just take it off. And I don't do this skincare routine every single day. Like literally my skincare routine is probably just washing my face and taking off my makeup and that's it. This is just gonna be like if I did try every day on my skincare routine, this is what I would do, and also kind of just my skincare products and like how I use them and everything. But mostly everything is drugstore, and this is not sponsored. I hate skincare videos. I mean, okay, I don't skincare videos that are sponsored, I just don't trust because like, I mean, you get your coin, but this is 100% like genuine and like everything I bought with my own money. It's not sponsored at all. My like #1 tips is wash your face. I know that's like super simple, but it actually clears my skin a lot if I don't wash my face for like a week or something. Literally I start breaking out, and I find that if I wash my face like 3 times a day, it's really nice and clear. So yeah, it's done. I know this is kind of gross, but I reuse my makeup wipes just because it's expensive. Now that my makeup is pretty much off my face, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up, and I'm just gonna use a scrunchie. I've been wearing this like a lot, so I'm just gonna put it in a bun. I look really dumb, but it's fine. So in my bathroom, and now I'm gonna wash my face. I use the same face wash. I've been using this since the beginning of 7th grade. No, I've been using this all last year and it's actually super good. A cheap face wash, just use this. It's the Up and Up Target brand face wash. I love this one. It's the Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser, and this literally makes my skin like baby soft and like tight, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on a mask. I had the mini size before, but I used it all up, so I got myself the full size, and it was kind of expensive, but it's really worth it. It's the Badescu Super Collagen Mask. At first, like, I thought it was not gonna work because, like, Badescu, it's like kind of overhyped and everything. It works super nicely. Like, for me, it literally just, it's like the face wash pretty much, but my hair is not cute, so I would put it in a bun, but I look like an egg, so I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. I usually just kind of let this sit for like 20 minutes. My Face ID isn't even working. Let's listen to some music. Oh, I really thought my charger was charging this entire time, but it wasn't. Dummy. I look really stupid with face masks on, so hi, I look like an alien. Area 51. Who? Just kidding. Okay, I need to stop. Put a timer for 20 minutes.
Setting the timer.
By the way, my
Siri
is Australian because I like accents. Okay. I'm literally gonna get copyrighted, but like, do I care? No. Like, I got copyrighted in my last like most popular videos, and then also my obviously my music playlist video, and I really don't care. I'm just vibing. I'm not here for the money. just kidding, but like, I'm kind of serious at the same time. That sounded so like weird and fake, but I was just trying to say that I just do it for, I don't YouTube for fun. I don't do it for the money. It'd be nice to have some money, but like, I don't really do it for the money. But the way it made it sound like was just kind of weird, so I'm sorry if that came out weird. Let's see how long has it been. 15 minutes? Are you triggered? Okay, this is what 3D mask tour. Okay, anyways. Okay, I don't really know what to do. Ooh, I have like a little remedy that I use to do, and it's basically using castor oil and putting it on my eyebrows and eyelashes, and it actually really works. I don't really have any, as you can tell, so you're probably like, why am I listening to her? I'm not gonna get any advice because she doesn't have any eyebrows. She should probably just shut up, because, you know, if you use this like every single night, it will make a difference. And my eyebrows are kind of like thin, but they were a lot thinner like last year, and I started using this, and also because it just grew, because it's been like a year. It makes them a lot thicker. I'm not sure longer though. It just makes them thicker and my eyebrows thicker and stuff. I also recently got these from Amazon, and they were like $4, and they're super nice. I like cleaned up my eyebrows. If you guys can tell, they're a lot like more sharp, and I got a lot of compliments on my eyebrows. So yeah, this is a lot easier and less painful than tweezers, because I used to tweeze my eyebrows like around it, and it hurt really bad, and I couldn't like clean them all the way because it hurt super bad. Honestly, just my main #1 tip, like I realized like looking through pictures and stuff, the highest points that I had really clear skin was when I washed my face all the time. I took care of my skin and I was happy, like I wasn't stressed. And like whenever I'm stressed and I'm like kind of sad, I guess, my skin is like super bad. I noticed that works for me. I'm not saying that it will happen to you guys, but just for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna go turn this off, and I'm probably just gonna like use my phone and listen to more music. There's like a stain on my shirt, and it's like so annoying. It's like a clay mask stain, and I didn't notice until after the video, and I like took it off like after I filmed it. So there's this annoying like clay mask spot right on my black shirt, and it's so annoying, so I'm so sorry. I normally don't look this bad. Like actually sometimes I look good in face masks, but today I look like Squidward. So I can't even move my face. I'm like, I have to like really enunciate like my words because I can't like move. Like it's like stiff. I'm like, you know? So yeah. I look like jeez. Okay, I literally like got so scared. The other day I was doing my summer homework. I was doing it, and then my grandma like came out of her room, and like she made like the loudest noise because our house is old, so like it made a big creak, and I literally like jumped. Like my heart was racing, and I was in front of a mirror, so I saw my reaction. It was so funny, and I was dying, but I was also dying because it was not funny and I was scared. Oh goodness, I really did really bad with this mask, so I like put more on top, so I'm probably gonna have to let it sit for like another 10 minutes. So I'm gonna be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this mask off. I also heard that the CeraVe face mask or face wash works really nice. I really wanted to get it, but it's kind of expensive, and also don't want to like buy it and then try it out when I don't even know if it works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. It's still kind of wet, so I'm just gonna take it off, and I'll see you guys when I take it off. My skin is a lot nicer. I don't know if you guys can tell because like the lighting kind of sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and tone my face. The Thayer's facial toner, witch hazel, and the flavor, no, the scent, or like whatever, rose petal, and just kind of get my face. And I don't really know how I feel about this so far. I like it, but at the same time I feel like it breaks me out, so I'm not really sure. I'll have to see. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. I just got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream, and I didn't know this was for extra dry skin until like I got it. But this is super nice. I do it before I go to bed, and also before I do my makeup, So it's really nice. It's kind of on the expensive side for like drugstore products, but it's really nice. It like actually hydrates my skin, and especially if you have like dry skin, this works really well. But it still works for me even though I don't have like extra dry skin. Go ahead and do like a little bit of like treatments. These two things for like acne and spot treatments. One's more for like, I don't really know, more for like smaller ones that I don't want to like go through with the little Badescu one. So I just kind of like put this on. I know this is a spot treatment, but it actually kind of works. So I go ahead and just put it on like areas that I don't really, that are like smaller, but I still want to get, you know. Okay, I don't like this, so I'm gonna turn it off. But I just go ahead and actually let me turn it back on. I just go ahead, that was a flashback Mary moment, put it on like the little smaller pimples that I don't feel like individually putting that acne treatment on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Badescu or I don't know, drying lotion, and this is super nice. It literally works really well. But one thing, it's super expensive, and also I spilled like all of it. Mixture's a little like wet right now, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it sit because it's better when it's like dried. So I'm gonna wait until it's like less mixed, if that makes any sense. Turn this light off because it's too bright, and I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'm not trying to have like a bright light, but I always make sure to have clean brushes. Don't like touch your face with your hands. I always do it, but I realized it breaks me out. Now I'm just gonna put on a little bit of the green Badescu spray, and I like the lavender one like before I go to bed, so I'm gonna use that one because I'm just gonna use the purple one because it's nighttime and I kind of want to like relax, and it's almost gone. I like forgot how much I like this one. It's actually really nice. What the heck? Oh, so I have a lot of like these face masks from Freeman, and I use this one and I don't like it. It literally made my skin super itchy and like dry, and my skin was really irritated by it, and people said they really liked it. So it kind of just shows that like my skin doesn't work with some other people like. Okay, it's still like really mixed. Oh, it's actually a lot better right now, so I'm gonna use it. Hopefully it's not horrible. Oh yes, okay. So I just go ahead and put it on some areas, and it kind of burns because it's supposed to dry. Oh gosh, it like burns really bad because it's supposed to like dry out your pimples. That's the whole purpose, is to dry out your skin. So be really careful where you. I'm being kind of dramatic, but after a while it like settles down, and also because some of the pimples I kind of picked, so there was like open skin and like the alcohol went inside and it like burned a lot. But after a while, like after like a minute, it like settles down, you can't even feel it. So it looked like I was really dying, but yeah. Put it one time I like put it really close to my eye because I had a pimple really close to my eye and it burned super bad. Like I started tearing up. It like burns really bad. What the heck? I don't think this is supposed to be happening. Okay, so usually I always put this on before I go to bed, like, and I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, you don't have that much pimples, like you're exaggerating, but they're kind of just smaller. I'm actually doing really good right now with my skin, so yeah. But I just feel like my pores are just kind of like big and I need like a mask for that, but I don't have one because I used them all. But yeah, I just put on this Burt's Bees chapstick. This is my favorite one. It's super good. Highly recommend. It's the beeswax, vitamin E, and peppermint. So that was it for my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, pretty much what you guys have been asking, like how I get like my skin to be super clear. Like I said, it's just literally not stressing out, washing my face, drinking a lot of water, being happy, and like that's how I get clear skin. I know it's kind of stupid, but like my skin is just weird. So, and again, I just have like good genetics and I'm like blessed to have like really nice skin. I honestly started getting like bad skin like the beginning of this year, so every other year my skin was perfect. So yeah, and also please don't feel insecure if you have like acne or like blemishes on your face, because literally every human has acne, whether they have a lot or a little bit. It literally doesn't matter, so please don't feel insecure about it. you are beautiful with or without it. Like literally, it's whatever. So yeah. Sorry this video was kind of short and like boring because a lot of YouTubers do a lot of stuff in their skincare routine. I really don't. For me, the less the better, just because there's not that much like chemicals and like all this stuff on my skin, so it doesn't break out. And especially with sensitive skin, I just recommend going with like your go-to face wash and end it there, just because you don't want to like put too much and then make your skin go crazy and like break out. So go crazy, go stupid. Again, please don't attack me if this doesn't work for you. This is my skincare routine. This is what I do for me, and hopefully it can help some of you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys can find some good things to help clear up your skin. But yeah, I just recommend like cheap drugstore products, and if they work, then yay. If they don't work, then that kind of sucks, but that's better because then you know it's not good and you don't try it, you don't use it again. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and follow my social medias while you're at it. But I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye guys.